When do we use the second conditional? We use the second conditional to talk about 2. Unlikely or hypothetical situations in the future. Examples: 1. If I met the Queen, I would ask for a photo. 2. If I won the lottery, I would buy a castle. 3. If aliens landed, the world would panic. 4. If I became famous, I would travel in a private jet. 5. If she found a treasure map, she would follow it. 6. If we lived on Mars, we would wear spacesuits. 7. If I woke up with purple hair, I would laugh. 8. If he became a billionaire, he would retire early. 9. If we built a time machine, we would visit the past. 10. If I grew wings, I would fly to school. 11. If a unicorn appeared, I would ride it. 12. If it snowed in July, we would go skiing. 13. If I were invisible, I would sneak into concerts. 14. If we found a secret door, we would open it. 15. If I married a movie star, I would live in Hollywood. 16. If she won a gold medal, she would celebrate for a week. 17. If I got a robot assistant, I would relax all day. 18. If he built a spaceship, he would explore space. 19. If we met aliens, we would learn their language. 20. If I lived under the sea, I would swim with dolphins. 21. If I wrote a hit song, I would perform on stage. 22. If I woke up in a different country, I would explore it. 23. If it rained chocolate, I would dance in it. 24. If she became a superhero, she would fight crime. 25. If I could talk to animals, I would ask my dog questions. 26. If dinosaurs returned, we would hide. 27. If I got stuck in a video game, I would play forever. 28. If we won free flights, we would go around the world. 29. If he invented a flying car, he would sell millions. 30. If the sun turned green, scientists would investigate. 31. If I became a wizard, I would cast spells. 32. If our dog started talking, we would be amazed. 33. If I found a magic ring, I would keep it secret. 34. If school were held on a beach, kids would be happy. 35. If the moon fell, the earth would shake. 36. If I could read minds, I would know your thoughts. 37. If fish walked on land, pets would change. 38. If I won a trip to space, I would go immediately. 39. If money grew on trees, people would plant forests. 40. If chocolate was healthy, I would eat it daily. 41. If I turned into a cat, I would nap all day. 42. If my phone floated, I would never lose it. 43. If gravity stopped, we would float into space. 44. If we found aliens on the moon, we would invite them. 45. If I grew to 10 feet tall, I would reach everything. 46. If the sea froze, we would skate on it. 47. If I got a letter from Hogwarts, I would pack my bags. 48. If unicorns existed, they would be magical pets. 49. If I could fly, I would skip traffic. 50. If she invented teleportation, we would travel instantly. 51. If the school floated, it would drift away. 52. If my shoes talked, they would complain. 53. If robots ruled the world, we would obey them. 54. If I grew a money tree, I would never work again. 55. If he became a dragon, he would fly above the city. 56. If pigs could fly, people would be shocked. 57. If chocolate rained from the sky, we would collect it. 58. If I met my future self, I would ask for advice. 59. If dogs went to school, they would be smart. 60. If clouds smelled like candy, people would smile more. 61. If I had a clone, I would sleep more. 62. If cars ran on water, we would save money. 63. If I lived on a mountain, I would hike daily. 64. If my pencil wrote on its own, I would relax. 65. If cats wore glasses, they would look serious. 66. If I became a mermaid, I would swim all day. 67. If I turned into a cartoon, life would be fun. 68. If ice cream never melted, kids would love it. 69. If time paused, I would sleep forever. 70. If I owned a zoo, I would pet all the animals. 71. If I could live in a book, I would choose Harry Potter. 72. If my shoes ran for me, I would finish every race. 73. If water turned into juice, kids would celebrate. 74. If shadows moved, I would be scared. 75. If I met a dragon, I would ride it. 76. If robots took over, we would need a plan. 77. If I could shrink, I would hide in pockets. 78. If birds sang human songs, concerts would change. 79. If I could breathe underwater, I would explore the ocean. 80. If the sun blinked, the earth would freeze. 81. If my bed floated, I would sleep in the sky. 82. If trees grew sweets, kids would climb more. 83. If I were in a video game, I would level up fast. 84. If clouds rained glitter, the world would sparkle. 85. If I owned a spaceship, I would visit Pluto. 86. If animals voted, laws would change. 87. If I found a secret world, I would explore it. 88. If laughter cured illness, doctors would tell jokes. 89. If pizza grew on trees, we would have pizza farms. 90. If rain tasted like lemonade, umbrellas would sell more. 91. If I were a superhero, I would help everyone. 92. If shoes flew, walking would end. 93. If I met a giant, I would ask for a ride. 94. If I had a portal, I would visit new worlds. 95. If cheese glowed, mice would love it more. 96. If I could live forever, I would see the future. 97. If shadows spoke, I would listen. 98. If I had a dragon, I would never be late.